What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to introduce you to some awesome Excel keyboard shortcuts that will make your life so much easier when typing in formulas. So one of the first things is a tab key. So a lot of people know that you can use the tab key to move from left to right. But the tab key can also be used to fill in formulas. So equals V, L, and as you can see, if you look up, just press tab, and then now you can start filling in the formula. Another cool thing, so going back to VL tab, is that you can actually make it to where all the arguments will automatically show up by pressing Control Shift A. As you can see, by doing that, all the arguments showed up. Now, if you just press Enter, it will give you a name error, right? Because none of the function has been filled in. But to get this to be shown as text, put a comma before the equal sign, and then press Enter. And as you can see, it looks like this. So same thing with HLOOKUP equals HL tab, Control Shift A, and then going before the equal sign, press comma. And as you can see, they have the same arguments, but they are looking in different directions. So with that being said, I really hope that y'all found this to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you did. And let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you.